Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, in the evening with the extra puzzles. In the additional or in the puzzle page, not in today's newspaper on Monday, no. It's today, Monday, March the 20th, 2023. No, it's the edition of the weekend, yes. Saturday, March the 18th, 2023. We have here two puzzles left, the 3 stars or 2 stars Sudoku and the binary puzzle. In the additional, we have also 3 puzzles left. Let me show you the 3 puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star here, the Saturday or Sunday edition. Alright, let me start first with the 3 stars Sudoku in the puzzle page. This will be number 6144. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional. It will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row, some row between, second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 in these 3 marks. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay, 8. Cannot continue with the 8. Let me see which number can I pick. 5. I believe we have a pair. The 5 and the 6 in the first row, the 5 and the 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. 6. Alright. Then. Let me see. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Alright, in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We have a 6 in this last column, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, no 6 there. Here can be a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. So the 6 in this row could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 127. Then let me think. 6, 8, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 9. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in that column. So no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Alright, we have a pair again. 8 and a 9 in this row, 8 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Okay. 2, 2, 6, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2, 2, 6, 2, 7, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 2, 7, 6. No. 2, 7, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in that row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left in this row. We have also 2 and the 7. 2 and a 7, okay. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. I marked those 2 boxes with the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 7. Alright. 6, 9. We have all the 9s. Let me check. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4, 4, 4, 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about 1 and the 7 1, 7 and the 3. Come on. 7. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and the 8, 7 and 8, 7 and the 8. Well. 8, 8, 8, 8. How about the 6 then? 6, 6, 6, 6. About the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. 2, 5, 4. Well, 4. This should be the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes at there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 3. 3, 1, 7. 8. 4, 2, 1. 1, 7 and a 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 marks, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So here we have 1 and a 7, 7, 6, okay. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 3. With all the 4's and all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. 7, 1, 7, 2. Then 2, 2, 2, 1, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 1 and 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. Let me see. 1, 2, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 In this big square, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. These number 4, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 now in the first row, so this box can be 2 anymore, and that box should be 2. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes, so definitely 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles in this additional puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.